Okay, buddy. Waiting to see if my crow buddies come down. They're still swarming around there. They know probably by now that there's food out there for them. I think this high wind now, it looks like it's even 20, 25 mile an hour. It's probably spooking them a bit. Hopefully they'll still come. Mr. Squirrel is still here. Oh, there you go. Make a hole and bury it. You'll get it later. Oh, you found one you stashed away a couple days ago. Okay. Well, it's not winter yet, buddy. You better be burying more instead of digging them up already. Okay, I'll let you get at it.